lang, bro.
What you want?
So, hello everyone. Ito na nga, we're preparing na ng aming mga bagahe kasi mag-hike na kami guys. We don't know kung ilang araw. Pero marami-rami din yung mga food na prepare namin. Yung mga easy to cook lang siya. Ayan. Akala ko dyan sa bit-bit ko na yan is sobrang ano lang. Not so heavy pero pag nagtagal na pala na nagwo-walk ka with a baggage behind, sobrang init at saka nakakapagod. Tingnan mo yung kapatid ko. We are getting ready na kasi alis na kami. Actually guys, merong cable car dyan. But then, dahil it's hiking nga, so kailangan nating mag-hike. Okay? So, let's go na. Samahan nyo kami. Tingnan mo yung husband ko. Ayan. Inaano niya yung kapatid ko kasi kuha ng video. Which is, alam mo naman yung mga European. They are not really fun sa mga ayan, video na ganyan. So, ayan.
It's heavy, huh? It's not heavy on the straight, but
There, it's very nice.
Yeah, when you go up.
Are you ready, bro?
Almost.
I find it
Okay.
very heavy.
Is it heavy?
Yeah,
I
slowly.
don't know what.
Ayan. Ay, nako. Look at my sister. As always. Likes niya yung kina-capture every moment. So, ganyan siya. So, I'm thankful na din because of this. Meron tayong may upload. So, 5 nga pala kami guys. 3 Filipino. Si Habi at saka yung African friend din namin. So, ayan, tingnan nyo yung view sa behind me. Looks so near guys, no? Pero still very far yan. So, ayan. Nakasimangot na yung ating mukha dyan. It was so nice yung weather dito guys. So, we park our car in this parking area. So, let's go!
Kanang anak ba para sa akong YouTube?
Sa? Asay mong GoPro.
Anak lang hindi na.
I have 2 solar panels. So yeah, we can share if it's. Ready? So what you have in this one black here?
It's personal things that I could easily to reach.
How you gonna charge your phone?
So, here you go. Stop again to take a rest. I can't count anymore how many times na itong nag-rest kami. So, ayan. Ganyan yung view, guys. Sobrang relaxing. But then again, so, here is my sister. Inas niya yung hubby ko to take a video for her. Ayan. By the way guys, wala talaga akong video na nakuha dito sa walking namin na ito sa first day.
But it's working already.
Yeah, I just go. I can edit that one. You can edit and make voice over.
You're good?
There, bro.
Can be seen.
Good.
Yeah.
Turn all the food over there.
Wait, oh.
It's It's like there's a cross there.
So, one of the place guys kung saan kami nag-rest taglit ni Habi while waiting for my sister kasi nasa baba pa siya guys. So, ayan, meron talagang cable car. I don't know ilang meter to from the parking. Ayan, meron ding restaurant. So, kung wala kayong bit-bit na foodie while doing the hiking, merong mga restaurants guys. Although hindi siya dikit-dikit, pero meron talaga. Ayan.
Mabata ni Nelson.
Wow, naigit naman ako sa iyo.
Grabe ka butod.
Butod? What is butod?
Here, big.
Pero pag ano yun, ihalang
Don't do like this, come on. Don't do like this.
It's like Apas Koldibusa is like Romanian, eh?
Which one?
Apas Koldibusa. How it looks. Ano ang aura ko da? Basin daw murat ko daan, daman mo lang karon.
So, look at the view guys. Andito na tayo sa mga, I think 1,800 meter high altitude na tayo. So, actually guys, I don't have really time para magkuha ng mga video. Kasi, as in, sobrang, I feel very tired. Kasi because the way going up here by walking, it's really tiring. Lalo na, pag may mga dala kayong sobrang heavy, kahit 10 kg lang yan guys, but still very tiring kasi yung daanan maganda siya but it's very elevated kasi nga papunta tayo sa summit, nearly sa summit talaga ng Chamonix sa Mont Blanc guys, which is very high, diba? So first day of walking talagang super tiring. So every time, every like half hour nag-i-stop talaga kami. Ayan, so nag-rest kami dito saglit and we're looking where we can able to pitch our tent. So 100 meter away from here. So after almost 7 hours of walking guys, pero nag-stop din kami ha. We decided to stay here. This place. Tapos may mga cafe din dyan. Pero close na yun sila guys kasi mga 7 in the evening na ito eh. Tomorrow ulit, bukas na yun sila. Ayan. Finally, we can able to rest na talaga. So, my sister and hubby were very busy. And me, myself, is resting. And we are so lucky guys because it was really a nice weather as you can see in this video. Normally, wala talaga akong nakuha. For almost 7 hours guys. Hiking from the parking where we left our car until here. I think I just had few videos. Dahil mag-enjoy ka na lang talaga sa view guys. Wala ka nang ibang naisip kundi mag-enjoy sa view. And mag-relax habang nag-enjoy sa view. So, luckily, my sister take some videos. So, ito may ma-share ako sa inyo sa aming hiking escapade. By the way, guys, we brought some camping stove. Kaso lang, hindi siya magamit dahil naiwan yung parang takip niya. Which is, nag-ano na lang sila, nag-try na maghanap ng mga dried trees ba, yung mga branches ng trees para gawing Para ayan makaluto ng, of course, easy to cook na mga like soup, yung ganun. So ayan, hubby is preparing the fire na.
Almost to here.
Almost aning white, oh. Ha?
Ito, ito.
Aning kaputi.
Send na mo sa inyo. I-copy ninyo ang gisend ni Bare.
So here we are, me and my sister, guys. We're looking for some stream para makakuha ng water. So ayan, well, naglakad-lakad kami, iniwan namin si hubby. Yan, tignan nyo, may anong tawag nito? Paragliding? Parachute ba yan? Basta, meron kaming nakita dyan. Doon sila sa taas pa ha. Kasi pwede ka pang maglakad pataas pa talaga sa pinakatuktok. So, nakikita namin sila na malayo, pero malayo. Kahit malayo sila, nakikita pa rin namin. So, ayan yung view. Zoom in na talaga yan, guys. Sobrang ganda. So, ito, nakahanap kami ng stream here.
Lamig ka na. Kailan na eh?
Ha?
Ako gid ana kabalo kung anong kapag kuan ba.
Ayaw nang makita ang ilong ng Norsa.
Oo, pag kaayo eh. Ako magkakabalo kung ano nice or dili. Natabi ni makita na tabunan sa sticker. Confident na po dara oy magkurinta na ta. Hanginon ng yapon. Nice man god di ka makita mo na niya. Wag pa-over drag ka na mga itindugan niya pagid.
Ano bro?
Pagdali ka nag 1 minute na ka.
Ay, ganun. Kaya paglimpyo na lang naman 1 minute.
Guys, may pang filter naman kami sa water, so it's okay, pwede siyang mainom. And doon kasi sa nalagyan namin ng tent, guys, wala talagang stream na malakas. Ganito lang talaga, so gawa na lang talaga ng paraan. So ganyan yung camping galore, guys. Anyway, so here we are, guys. We are having our dinner na. Ayan. Actually, mabilis lang siyang kainin kasi may bit-bit naman kaming luto na food from home. Tsaka nag-cook na lang kami ng yung soup na mabilis lang naman siyang lutuin. So ayan, mga 9 o'clock na yan ng gabi. So ayan, tapos na rin kaming kumain. Mabilisan lang. Meron naman kaming lights pero may hindi pa naman ganun ka dark para gamitin. So ayan, very enjoyable at so happy na makakapag-relax na din after lunch. Ayan. So I hope you did enjoy, guys. Sharing with you guys some of the photograph that my sister had, and while sharing it with you, share ko lang pala yung experience ko, guys, na less than an hour of walking nga pala, nahilo ako, guys. Diyos ko Lord, as in hilong-hilo, na kailangan ko talagang magstay at akala ko talaga may mangyari na sa akin dahil yung heart ko nagsikip na at saka nawawala na akong hangin yung heart ko. And then kailangan ko lang kumain pala ng sweet, ng chocolate para at saka nag-drink ng water. So ayun yung pinaka ng experience natin sa first day of walking. Less than an hour lang yan ha. So ayun, everything went well naman.